Here's the quick read. Powertoys is leading GitHub Trending today with 102 stars. The bigger signal is the lane it represents, open source momentum across the stack. I'm watching the README, release pace, and recent activity to see whether this is a one-day burst or something people will keep using. Open source moves fast, but patterns still show up. When the top of the list clusters around one problem, it usually means people found something practical. So the check is simple: does the README line up with the activity, and does the project still look sticky tomorrow? Fastest by stars today. By stars today, System Design Primer moved fastest with 578. It's a Python project, and the README says the System Design Primer, and GitHub rank is number 2. Next on velocity, Powertoys picked up 102 stars. GitHub rank is number 1, and the description says Microsoft Powertoys is a collection of utilities that supercharge productivity and customization on Windows. Then Pgbackrest added 21 stars. GitHub rank is number 3, and the topics make the target clear: archiving, Azure, backup. Nuclei templates also drew 6 stars. GitHub rank is number 4, and the recent activity looks real, not random. Recent activity says April 29, 2026, sure, generates CVE's metadata. To round it out, Meshery picked up 6 stars. GitHub rank is number 5, and it still reads like a practical playbook. The board leans toward C# X1, Python X1, C X1, JavaScript X1. That usually tells you who this is for: front-end tools, data tools, AI orchestration, infra utilities, or a CLI teams can pick up fast. The README and release trail tell you whether that audience is real or just a short spike. And when a project solves one clear problem well, you can usually feel why it sticks. When I read GitHub Trending, I look for 3 things: a clear problem, low friction to try it, and signs people will keep using it. If the README is clear, the release pace is steady, and the commits look real, stars usually follow. That's the whole test. Is it just a nice demo, or something people will keep using? The strong ones make that jump fast, and that's what turns attention into durable momentum. Next time I check in, I'll be watching to see whether the same theme shows up again or whether attention rotates somewhere else. If the next wave still points at open source momentum across the stack, that tells you the move has room. I'll also check whether the stars stay concentrated in one language or spread out, and whether the README and release cadence still support the move. A concentrated lane means one toolchain is pulling most of the attention. A mixed lane means interest is spreading across layers at the same time. Quick note: this is commentary only, not software endorsement or advice. It reflects a point in time, so check the README, license, security posture, release notes, and recent activity before adopting anything for your team. If the project matters to you, compare it with the next refresh and verify it against your own requirements before treating the pattern as durable.